Development for us. We know that there are asset judges in this state who are not doing the right thing at the right time. But we as people, we are representing River State in this matter, we will take it to the highest level. I think we should appeal this case to be able to tell Rivers people that this judge did not do the right thing. One, the other opponents were not served. We said we want to serve them. We have not come to the case, and you are dismissing the case. You are citing laws that are not even before you. I think that is not proper. But we may appeal when we discuss with our lawyers.
Very embarrassed that a court of this level, a learned, distinguished judge, will just strike out a case for asking for substituted service of summons. It's very embarrassing. Well, one thing I would like to point out here is that when the courts cannot do what is right, and democracy is broken down because some people feel they can break it down, then the alternative they should watch out for.
Well, these are issues of law. The president, from what we all heard, we woke up one morning and heard that the president directed that an 8-point agenda be signed and all of that. And the fact remains as to whether the president has that locus, he has that power to give such directives. So whether he has or not, it is a constitutional matter. The Federal High Court and the State High Court are seized of jurisdiction to hear this matter.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.